all of you. Today I will show the best site to buy online clothes. Very cheap with good quality. It's a wedding and occasion dress online store. There are very good dresses, like wedding dresses, party dresses, special dresses and much more. Go and visit at site www.alizybridal.com. You will not be disappointed. Do you like my dress? I bought it at this site. It's very good site, very simple to use. Also my friends buy here too many type of dresses, are very cheap. Anytime you can have too much discount for any dress. So stay online and look up for it. What are you waiting for? Don't waste your time looking at other sites. This site is best for online store. Thank you for watching.